Hello everybody, so this is a Dacia Spring and my vent selector does nothing. Something broke. So let's figure out what's going on and try to fix it. So first thing, to get to the vent knob, we're just gonna remove this cover here. And just pull it out. Okay, we have 3 electrical connectors here. So you just press here. Another one here. And another one here. It's difficult to do this with one hand. Okay. Now let's remove these 2 screws, one here and one here. I already removed that one. Now I'm gonna remove this one. It's a T15. Now we just pry this thing out, apparently. Okay. Then we got another couple of screws. No, 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's still a T15. Okay. Now let's push it all in a little bit and out. Let's see what we have here. So it doesn't really want to come out. There are these cables that are connected to it, but we can see our problem. So this is the vent selector. Looks like that. Let's move this out of the way. And this thing is broken off. It was apparently here. It was part of this piece. Okay. Okay, let's try and remove this piece here and see how we can attach this wire back onto this plastic part. So in order to be able to work on it, we should remove this cable. It's held in by this plastic part. Let's see if we can grab it with the pliers and just pull it back. Doesn't really want to work like that. Nope. So it does work, you just need a better angle. Just kind of grab it and pull it backwards. Okay. Now let's see if we can do it. Now we just need to... no, that's not going to help us a lot. How can we attach this thing to here? This thing was here like this. Okay. What if we just drill another hole there? Maybe that will hold until I can get this part. And I think that's what we'll do. Very weak part, very weak design. Okay, so I'll just drill a hole there, this size. Okay, let's see if this works. I found a drill bit that is small enough that I can drill a hole like we have in that plastic piece that broke off. I'll just drill another one here. Okay. Now let's see if we can install it back. And these cables are really tight in there. They're held by clips down there. Okay, well that went in. Let's see if it does anything. Well, first we gotta put it back. I'll just leave that piece there for warranty. See if they will replace it. Okay, that's it. Does work now, somewhat. The position is a little different, so the pictures here don't correspond, but at least it's working now and I can use it until I can get this piece. But this design is probably replicated on this knob here, because this one has a cable too. Yep. So I'm gonna expect that one to fail as well. Okay, let's put it back together. Might do the job for now until I can get a replacement part. Put it all back together. Okay, everything is back together. Torque's good enough for now. Doesn't go all the way down here. But I think all the positions are met. Okay, till I can get a replacement, it will do. Okay, hope it helps. Bye.